Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to remove phone number from Snapchat. First of all, you can open the Snapchat application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply tap on the setting icon at the top right corner of the screen. After this, you can see the fourth option, that is mobile number. Tap on it, and here I can tell you the Snapchat doesn't provide the direct feature to delete your phone number without deleting your account. So if you disable the option let others find me using my mobile number, the others cannot find you to your mobile number, and this is the way you can delete your mobile number on Snapchat. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.